Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Watch with iPhone, pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Next, charge your Apple Watch and iPhone for a smooth setup process. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap on Start Pairing on the app. Hold your Apple Watch up to the camera on your iPhone. Align the watch face with the viewfinder on your phone. If the camera pairing doesn't work, tap Pair manually and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose whether to set up as a new watch or restore from a backup. Sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose preferred settings for location services, Siri, and analytics. Customize your watch by selecting which apps to install. Decide on a passcode for security purposes if desired. Sync the watch by waiting for the progress wheel to finish. Once the installation is complete, tap OK to finalize. Wear your Apple Watch and check the functionality of apps and notifications. Explore watch faces and customization options to make your watch your own. Enjoy your new Apple Watch paired with your iPhone, now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.